What is it, guys? I am doing a video on the Rogue Energy tub that just recently just came out in the market. Just wanted to give my review on it, flavor-wise, what it's supposed to do, and I don't know, just give it a review out there. When I heard this product was coming out in the market, I was like, okay, that's cool, because I don't need much caffeine in my gaming environment, but hydration is important. So I was like, okay, I'll give this a shot. Now, just clear things out. I am have a sponsorship with Rogue, but this review is more of I want to make sure that the flavors are good. It's only one flavor, so it's fruit punch. But I love fruit punch. Fruit punch is my favorite flavor. But I am picky with fruit punches out there. I wouldn't pick a company to sponsor me if I don't like their products. I love their flavors, which I love. Instead of G Fuel. G Fuel, like, the only one I probably liked before was just the fruit punch. That's pretty much it. I tried some other ones. I don't even remember. It's been a while, but the thing is, I just don't have. And I tried because I'm open-minded with products, so I tried their drinks, the go drinks. To be honest, I swear to God, I don't understand how people like them. Like I don't know. Like, it tastes like medicine. Like, every single drink, I have the 4-pack, the variety pack, and I'm like, why it tastes like medicine every single flavor? I'm like, people tell me, like, I like Dr. Pepper. People taste like, oh, it tastes like medicine. No, like, to me, it doesn't taste like at all like medicine. I don't know where they get the flavor of medicine. But when I drink this stuff, like G Fuel, the cans, I'm like, it tastes like medicine. Like, I swear to God. But that's everyone's taste buds. Like, you get different taste buds. But that's a different conversation. We're talking about this product. But like I said, it's my honest opinion. Even though I'm sponsored with them, but in a way, it gives good feedback for them to improve the flavors. But we're just gonna try the first, how it comes out. But, yeah, but let's just get this going. Okay, so doing a raw, video of it, like me opening the box. Yeah, I just want to see more raw, without editing and stuff. So you can see my reaction to the flavor and all that. I don't have a knife, okay. I just could use my keys, but it is fine. It works. It's a little messy, probably. This sticker stuff, pretty good. Now, if you want try this product out, I will leave a link. And stickers. It's cool. It's pretty cool, the sticker. Thank you for your order. I will leave my discount code if you want. That's my information for my delivery. So you can try this out. It is $29.99 as you speak of 4/24/2020. Just little put what's it called? Birthday paper, or what's it called? I mean, I don't even think G Fuel does that. So here it goes. Okay, it's a little bit smaller, the container, than I thought. Just by looking online, it looks small, but a little surprised when we're smaller than that. But it's there. 40 servings. It is fruit punch only right now at the moment, but I think they did a survey a little while ago. What other flavors they want to see, so they're working on that. But yeah, I mean, just your average, powder energy ones out there. Just put it in. I got my Rogue cup here ready for that. Ice water. I like ice water. So let's just give this a go, and I hope it comes with the scoop. I don't know. I mean, it should, right? So I would imagine it's shipping. It's a little bit movie. Okay, it has a seal on it. I don't know how. Fuck. Okay, so it is first production, so I mean, you would think they would know how to do it. Oh, God. So, okay, it does have a skip. I see it there. It's a little messy, man. That's what I hate about these powder drinks sometimes. But, you know, there's always a positive and a negative in a product. It will never be a great product, like saying that it's perfect. But, oh, look, a little scoop. That's cool. So, I mean, that's it. I mean, that's all you'll get. I mean, just like one person. And let's see. It's just, I think it's one scoop, right? Yep, scoop. Yep, that's it. I mean, I'm kind of surprised just a little one. Oh, crap. Alright, well. Close this out. It's getting messy in my desk, but that's fine. Okay, so try this out. Close this. Now, I mean, hydration is important in your diet. Tom Brady covers it all the time. I mean, I think it's a key factor in your diet. But so I'm trying to get more hydrated. I think it was a little bit more. I'm gonna shake it really well. Now, anyone tell me when they get their G Fuel cup, is it me or their cups are always leaking on top of right here? This one does not leak at all. I'm being serious. I do have a G Fuel somewhere, a G Fuel cup somewhere. I think it's in my car still, but it always leaks, and it's just not that one particular. I have two of them. I think one I gave it to someone, but the thing is, both of them always leak on top of this lid. I don't know if they fix that, you know, at this moment in time, but you know that's what I hate about G Fuel sometimes. G Fuel, I just don't understand how it's top. But let's take the flavored fruit punch. That's my key factor. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa. That's yeah. Yeah, that's a good string wise, you know, I'll give it 1 out of 10. Like 8.5, like strength wise of the fruit punch. Feels like I'm drinking I want to say Kool-Aid, but I haven't had Kool-Aid in a long time. But in a way, a good Kool-Aid, you know, it's not a bad. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I mean the flavor of it's pretty good. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, it's pretty good. I really enjoy it. Now, it doesn't have caffeine, which I like. I preferably will not want to have caffeine. Sometimes, because sometimes too much caffeine is bad for you. But I will like a drink without caffeine, like this one, I guess, and it keeps me hydrated at the same time. But I like it. Wow. Now I don't remember. They used to have another fruit punch. They don't have it anymore, which kind of sucks. With the one, like just the regular one, the Rogue Energy one. But I want to try to remember if it tastes like that. But yeah, I mean the flavor is pretty good. Powder wise, you know how people complain about, oh, it's too powdery. There's a hint of it, but nothing too bothersome to the point you're not enjoying it. In your taste buds that you feel powdery. But it's more like let's go 1 out of 10. It's like I don't know, like a 2. It's not you can barely taste it. But I don't know if my fault. I haven't shake it right properly. But I think if I shake it probably more, probably less. But I mean that's pretty much it. I mean I just want to make this video very quick about this, and I hope you guys get your opinions on it. Like I said, I just want to give my opinion about it. You know, even though I'm sponsored by them, but I just want to have, you know, a straightforward opinion. You know, but yeah, if you guys want to be interested, I'll leave a link. Like I said before, leave my code. That really helps me out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and you know, I'll do more videos later on.